My name is Ed Rogers. I'm one of the owners of Wetscape Royal Irrigation, a leading landscape irrigation and landscape lighting company since 1999. We've been installing thousands of systems throughout New Jersey since then. We're excited to meet with you to provide you with a proposal to add beauty, safety, and security to your property with a landscape lighting system. Most jobs take us about 1 day to install. We will have a team leader who has a lot of experience on your property, and one of our representatives will meet with you in the next few days. I'll be sending you 2 additional videos over the next 2 days to explain more to you about our process and how we can help you.